welcome to my channel. I'm so excited for my first Ipsy bags ever. Come with me and let's see what's in them. Now on to Glam Plus. This is $25 a month. I think you can skip a month or you can pause at any time from what I understand. Cute bag. There's also this envelope-like bag. It says it's from LaRousse. Let me know if I'm saying these things right. Please let me know in the comments if I'm saying it right or not, because I would love to know. 4 different makeup brushes. I'm pretty excited about that. Like I said, I'm kind of just now getting back into being serious about my makeup, like caring, self-care a lot. Anyways, this is the LR331 flat angle. Excited to have that to my collection. And next is the LR342 contour blend. Blending. Oh, so soft. And like the handle is really nice texture too. It's kind of like a ribbed, and it's not rubber, but it almost feels like rubber, like kind of a matte finishing. I should check the computer again. I am so sorry, guys. In my squeaky chair, whatever. Okay. LR360 tapered face. Ooh, so soft. I could just sit here and do this. Like, feels so good, y'all. Feels really good. Like, I haven't had quality. Like, these are my old brushes. They're like from discount stores or Walmart. Anyways, the last of the 4 brushes, but certainly not least, is the LR322 Kabuki. Please let me know in the comments below if I'm saying this right or not. I think people use this to like blend in their foundation. To be honest, I've mostly used my hands or like applicator sponges, like disposable ones, but I don't want to be like so disposable anymore. So like if I can use this and wash it, like that'll be awesome. Let's see what the card says about these brushes. LaRousse Face Set, one of our most loved brush set ever. Buff foundation, contour cheekbones, highlight and blend your blush. This 4-piece set will take you to pro status in a snap. Plus, they're crafted with super soft synthetic bristles that are vegan, cruelty-free, and hypoallergenic. Tip: dirty makeup brushes are a recipe for breakouts and irritation, so don't forget to wash these babies once a week. Your skin will thank you. Thank you. MSRP $134. Am I really reading that right? Okay, so that was outside of this bag. Let's see what's inside this bag. Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions. These are so beautiful. This is what I usually wear. Like these shades, I'm just really excited to have this. Huda Beauty Obsessions palette in mauve. Achieve Instagram worthy Huda level makeup with this versatile eyeshadow palette that's an all-time Ipster favorite. The collection of 6 buttery soft matte finishes and 3 shimmers blend like a dream in romantic tones of rose, mauve, and plum. Tip: score a smoky eye by blending a darker shade in your crease, a lighter hue along your brow bone and inner corners, and one of the chrome shades right in the center of your eyelid. MSRP $27. Okay, let's see what else is in our bag. What is this? I'm not even going to try to say this name. Loose translucent setting powder. Apply generously to areas with concealer to bake and set makeup. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes and sweep off the excess for a crease-free, soft, focused finish. Lightly dust oil-prone areas using a large, fluffy brush for a soft touch matte finish. I really want to know how to say this word. MSRP $22. Alright, let's see what else is in here. A+ high, sorry, I thought it was on the screen. A+ high dose retinoid serum. Again, let me know if I'm saying that right. By BRLee. MSRP $85. Man. Okay, there's one more thing in the bag. Ooh, I totally just felt like kindergarten, like reaching the prize bag. Would you like to pronounce this for me? Filorga. Oxygen Glow Eyes. Super smoothing radiant eye care. Radiance eye care. I'm excited about that. Retail price $29, and this is half a fluid ounce. Except inside the box. Ah, can you see it? It's tiny. Okay, it's bigger than I thought it was. I want to see what it feels like. Hello. Ooh. It's kind of pinkish. Doesn't really have a tear. Yeah, oh my gosh. You cannot see it, but it is so soft. I wish you could. Oh my gosh, that is so soft. I'm excited to put that on my eyes. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh, this was a lot, y'all. So for $25 for LaRousse brushes. Very nice, very soft. Got this powder. Got the 9 different shades, shadows. Got this delicate eye cream. It is eye cream, right? Yeah. And then the A+ high dose retinoid serum. Am I saying that right? I think these are all empty boxes over here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. All 5 of these, y'all, for $25. Like, I would do it just, I don't know if this is what they give every person on the first time. I don't know. But like, the little email I got was like, your first bag is extra special, but dang, y'all. And then the cute little bag. So that wraps it up. I'm BRLee, and I'll BRB on my next video.